Well, hello everybody and welcome to my channel. It's the end of August, so let's do an end of August garden tour. And this is the time the garden is in absolute full bloom before all the plants start, I'm not going to say really dying, but for example, the lilies, the leaves start to peel off and get brown, so they're not as pretty anymore. But right now, all of them are pretty green. And it's a little bit cloudy, a little bit sunny, partly cloudy, partly sunny. So while I'm filming, if you see it get cloudy, it's because there is a few clouds. Let me take you over this way. Bougainvillea, as always, is blooming. Or almost always, pretty much. This little guy blooms pretty much all year long, pretty much. Crepes. And everything's really gotten grown a lot. Needs pruning. At this time it's way too hot though, so it'll wait. Probably going to be at least another month or two. And then look at this pathway and look at the lilies. They're beautiful, still in full bloom, not drying out, but slowly but surely they will start dying and drying out. And then I will dredge this pathway also, take out all the grasses. Here's the little fountain. Love the calming sound of the fountain when we're sitting outside. And if you watch the previous outdoor garden haul, I was sitting out here and I showed you all the plants that I bought. Let's take a look. And I was working hard to plant them in the ground before we get a big rainfall, which is coming up this week. There's something tropical out there in the waters, and we're forecast to get a lot of rain, so that's usually the time when you would go out and plant everything, because Mother Nature will help you with the watering. Here's the crepes and the pathway right here, like that, like that. They are blooming really nice. I planted these crepes about a month and a half ago. Not all of them, but many of them. Oh my gosh, they are beautiful. Black cherry crepe myrtles. Look how beautiful they are. They're so nice. And let's try and go down the pathway. Hopefully there's no bees. Maybe we should do it quickly. Nobody wants to get stung by a bee. My feet there. Where are they? There they are. Up the pathway. Okay, let's go down this way and look. And then some of our flowers that that was just a bee. You heard it. It went by. Now it's sunny and cloudy, so if there's like little shadows, you'll have to pardon me. Some of the little flowers that we planted. Some of the yellow ones. There's those. And they are needing water, and they will get water. Yes, they are definitely needing water. There's the crepes in the back there, the black cherries, and they need water. So I think after I film the video, I will go and address that. I'm going to hose out. Give them some extra water. And there's one in the back there. This one, if you're watching my videos earlier, this one sprouts a tree and then it starts dying, so it's going to start dying. So I will fill that area up with the crepes, and I'm not sure what, so stay tuned and we'll figure out what. And then here is the holly, the sky pencil holly. Look how pretty. It's cute. Here's some more of those little wildflowers that I had hauled. Look at this one. These are really pretty. These were $1.98. And they're going to spread out really nice. And they do good in the hot, so I think I'm going to get a few more. Oh, that's a pretty white one. Right there, that's pretty the white one, the black cherries, and then up this way. So as you can see, I've been hard at work transplanting before our tropical storm rolls in. It should be rolling in the next couple of days. Let's go back up the pathway. There's the little wandering tree plants. These are the wildflowers that I got a few just growing randomly. I guess the seeds blew. Up the pathway. Let's keep walking. Oh, I don't want it to, the hose went on my tree. We don't want it to do that. There's my, there we go. My shoes. These are good shoes. These ones came from Walmart. No boundaries. They're good. They're waterproof. They're like rubber. That way you can get wet when I'm watering. If my feet are hot, I'll just dose them with some water and cool off. There is the garden. Look at the wandering Jew. I do have to go in there and take out those few grasses, but like I said, that's not going to be for right now at all. All that stuff will be waiting until it gets cooler. Another couple more months, so let it all grow now. There goes the clouds again. Even though there's no rain forecast today, but boy is it ever hot. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed my little quick garden tour because it is extremely hot. And I just wanted to show you how everything was growing and how I was planting everything. So this is the end of August tour. And be sure to stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button because I'll be bringing you the end of September, end of every month. We'll be making a specific point to do a garden tour along with other times of the month also as needed. And then we'll also be doing the sides and the back. But for now, this is all. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, hit a like. I would really appreciate that. Oh, there goes the water. It's a solar fountain. It has the solar light over there. So it only works when the sun's out. So now the sun is out full force. And I am hot. So inside I go. Enjoy, everyone. Enjoy the garden, little garden, mini garden tour. Bye.